Welcome back to Eatsy, where if we can make nut spice mix seasoning, then so can you. The use of nuts alongside spices in cooking dates back for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations such as the Greeks, Romans, Persians, and Indians incorporated nuts and spices into their diets, not only for their taste, but also for their nutritional and medicinal properties. This mix is a seasoning that our Chinese family uses, and we wanted to make this quick little video in order to share it with all of you. If you try it out, please let us know what you think of it down in the comments. Next week, we'll be releasing a recipe in which we use this nut spice mix, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. What you're going to need is 4 tablespoons of peanuts, 2 tablespoons of soybeans, 2 tablespoons of cashews, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, then 4 tablespoons of roasted white sesame seeds, as well as 8 tablespoons of ground cumin. Next is 2 tablespoons of chili peppers, and finally 1 oatmeal cookie. You're going to put all of those things into a food processor or blender. That's your soybeans, your peanuts, your cashews, your fennel, the white sesame, and the cookie. Grind all of that together, and then you can toss in your chili peppers and whip it all up again. When it's all done, it should look something like this. It's okay if not all the pieces are the same size. The mix is meant to provide a pleasant texture on anything you put it on. Next, starting with our 8 tablespoons of ground cumin in a bowl, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. Then throw in 1 tablespoon of salt. And if you're not shy about making it zingy, next is 2 tablespoons of ground hot chili peppers. And another spicy one is 2 tablespoons of mala. We got our mala from our local Asian market and it looked like this, but you could also get it off of Amazon in a little bottle like this. Lastly, you can add in the nut mixture from your blender. Stir all of that together thoroughly, and that's the nut spice mixture. As mentioned previously, next week we're going to launch a video where we're going to show you a recipe where we use this mixture, and we'd love to hear from you down in the comments if you use this mixture in your own cooking. We'd really appreciate it if you give the like and subscribe buttons a click, and as always, thank you so much for watching.